What if I told you the Galaxy S26 Ultra is already in someone's hands, days before launch, and it just exposed almost everything Samsung wanted to keep secret? Yeah, this isn't just another blurry leak. A full hands-on video is out, and some of what we're seeing? Actually surprising. So here's what happened. A YouTuber in Dubai somehow managed to buy the Galaxy S26 Ultra early, and the first thing we see isn't even the phone. It's the box. And printed right there on the retail packaging is something we've never seen on a Galaxy flagship before. 2 years of standard warranty? Let that sink in. Now, this specific unit is meant for the African market. So yes, it could start regional. But Samsung has a pattern. They test policies in select markets before expanding globally. And honestly, after the whole green line display drama, and with Samsung promising 7 years of software updates, this move makes sense for a $1,300 phone. That's real peace of mind. Now here's where things get interesting. The S26 Ultra is finally using the M14 display panel. Sounds great, right? But in a side-by-side comparison with another M14 phone, the S26 Ultra actually looks dimmer, even with extra brightness turned on. At first glance, that sounds bad, but then you see the battery comparison, and suddenly it clicks. Samsung might not be limiting the panel. They might be trading peak brightness for better real-world battery life. And let's be honest, most people would take longer battery over blinding brightness any day. Quick question, would you sacrifice a little peak brightness for better battery life? Comment battery or brightness. Now let's talk about the headline feature, privacy display. We've been hearing rumors for months. Now we're seeing it in real life, and it looks insane. From an angle, the screen basically disappears. And here's the crazy part, the YouTuber wasn't even using maximum privacy mode. At full strength, it looks completely off from the side. Ice Universe later explained why this is such a big deal. This isn't software trickery, it's hardware. There's literally a hidden layer inside the display acting like microscopic window blinds. It directs light toward your eyes and bends everything else back into the panel. From the side, invisible, that's futuristic. Now, the S Pen. Yes, you can still insert it either way. But here's the catch. Because the phone is slightly rounder now, the pen doesn't sit perfectly flush from certain angles, and once you notice it, you can't unsee it. The Ultra is slowly losing a bit of that old-school boxy Note identity. Still boxy but softer. Oh, and bad news, still no Bluetooth in the S Pen, so no air gestures. No remote camera shutter. That's a tough one. Now let's talk cameras. The 5x periscope lens looks completely different. For the first time, it's circular. Camera samples show improved colors. Samsung finally toned down the oversaturation. Low-light shots look better than recent flagships. That's a big win. But before we get too excited, these are compressed samples. We still need full-resolution shots to judge detail properly. Now about that new camera layout. Some people are saying it's a LOP technology. Samsung's advanced periscope design that shortens the module and increases lens size. But here's the problem. If it were a LOP, the module should be thinner. It's not. The aperture should be wider. It isn't. And Apple already achieved a similar circular layout just by rearranging internal lenses. No new tech required. So for now, take the LOP rumors with a heavy dose of skepticism. And this isn't even everything. The biggest official S26 Ultra leaks just dropped, and I broke them down in another video. Go watch that next, because if this hands-on is real, Samsung might have just changed the game again. Are you impressed or disappointed? Let me know below, and I'll see you in the next one.